Okay, so to edit content on your content pages, you, such as this, basically guidelines for intercessors. You're going to go to your back end, you'd click pages, and here's the list of all the pages on your site. So if I wanted to edit this intercessors page, I'd click it. And here's the general body text of your page. So this is called the WYSIWYG editor, which stands for what you see is what you get. It's basically just like Word. You edit text exactly like you would on a Word document with your bold, italics, bullets, numbers. This is a block quote styling, like if you have a quote you want to pull out. Here's your alignment, adding a hyperlink. Let's see, font sizes, color, all the normal stuff. The one thing I really want to point out is that when you see text of different sizes on your content pages, we really encourage you to use these preset styles. You've got your paragraph, which is just the normal basic styling. Heading 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are common headings throughout your site, and if you start, changing the size manually yourself here, you'll just end up with a lot of inconsistency throughout your site. So we really encourage you to just use those heading sizes to denote like different hierarchies on your site, on your pages. So right here you can see I'm using heading 2 as kind of a subtitle, and then here I'm using heading 3 as like a subtitle, and then the rest I use paragraph until I get to the next like major subtitle, next major subtitle. And just so you know, when I highlight it and I click heading 2, heading 2 includes the color. So under formats, you can also change the headings. But yeah, heading 2 is automatically this size and this color and all caps. So it just really adds some nice consistency on your pages. And then make sure you click update whenever you do that, whenever you add a change. One important thing to note is this preview changes button allows you to see what your changes are going to look like before you make something live. So click preview changes, but make sure you click update if you like the changes you've made, just to save those changes. Another thing you could do is change your status to draft. If you're working on a page that you don't want to publish quite yet, but you want to save those changes anyway, you can click edit, draft. Another cool thing you can do if you if you've made some changes that you've saved, but you want to go back to an old version because you don't like some of those changes, you can go to browse your revisions. So each of these tabs is the state that your page was in at a different time. So you can basically go back in time and find the revision that you liked most and go back to that. So like if I liked what I did 2 days ago and don't like the changes that I made today, I could click that and click restore this revision. And again, all your pages are listed here. If you want to copy a page because you like the styling you've been using, like on this page, for example, you could click copy page. Now you can find that page in your list here. Right now it's saved as a draft because it assumes you don't want to have a duplicate. So you could go in and just change the text but leave all the formatting. Change your title, of course, and then click publish after that. Now I'm going to go back and just delete it. And then to add a brand new blank page, you could click add new here or here. And last thing, if you have a page such as my activity and you want to have some pages under that, like sub pages, you can click on I'll show you, just click into your page, and over here under parent, you'd click which page you want it to be under. So right now it's set as my activity. Right, that does it for pages.